expert gymnast. He's competing, I think you're level 6?
Yeah.
At level 6. I'm going to do a leg length analysis. We're going to examine his leg lengths today. And he has a left leg that's shorter than the right. When I lift it, it gets longer. Ideally, everything should line up, of course, but his left leg is definitely shorter than the right. And I could push on the right one or pull on the left one, and that doesn't change anything. It's still a discrepancy. So let's see what we can get done today. Let's see if we can align his spine a little bit better and even things out. Balance, as you know, is the key to life and health. Tell me, is this or this tender when I touch here or here?
No.
Good. How's this here?
No.
When he started care, this part of his spine was inflamed. And this is the center of gravity. And he's going to be doing gymnastics, which involves a lot of strength moves and flexibility. So we'll keep everything lined up. I'm feeling his muscles and I'm working the muscles. And I'm checking his hips. His hips have to move in and out. I'm checking his legs for knots in the muscles of his legs. And his right hip's a little locked up. If you look, this right hip does not internally rotate quite as well as the left one. This one's limited in mobility compared to the left one. And I'm going to go ahead and work the piriformis muscles and get them relaxed and check the muscles in his legs. I'm going to examine his neck and head because his neck is locked up at the top. And computer use will do that. Just sitting at the computer causes our necks to lock up and a lot of tension in the neck. And I'm going to make sure that all of the vertebrae are properly aligned because he's going to put it to the test. Here we go. He's working out hard. He's getting stronger. And he's got to be strong and flexible for his sport because his sport demands that. Relax. Here we go. And he's going to be doing flips and somersaults and all kinds of strength and flexibility moves. And I'm checking his shoulders. And we all carry tension here. And I'm moving the vertebrae back in place and working on the musculature here where most of us carry our stress. I'm feeling with my hands where he's out of alignment. And I'm realigning the vertebrae. He's got a big knot in the middle of his back, right here. Right here too. And I'm aligning the spine and I'm aligning the ribs that come from the back or the vertebrae. I'm feeling with my hands where there's inflammation in the upper thoracic region, and I'm gently realigning the vertebrae and taking pressure off his nervous system so that he's both strong and flexible, and that's the key to life and health and also to good gymnastics. So after the adjustment, I wanted to point out that his feet are more even, and you could see that the feet are even from left to right after the adjustment. When I lift them, they look more even, and that's one indicator that he's doing better. But Jackson, go ahead, lift your head up, sir, and relax. Put your head back down. Tuck your chin towards your chest, please, and relax. Tuck your chin in and hold it in. That looks good. Go ahead, press your face straight into the table. Push it straight into the table. Is there anything else that you'd like examined in particular today?
No?
I'm going to go ahead and lift you then, and you'll feel yourself move right. You can take a deep breath in. And take a step back when you care to, and tell the audience how that feels now.
Feel relaxed and, yeah, it feels nice.
They might be wondering if it hurts to get adjusted. What would you say to someone who's struggling with spinal problems and is afraid to get care? What would you tell someone like that?
Should definitely try it. Doesn't hurt at all. It's relaxing. Yeah.
Well, I wish you luck in your sport. When's your next event?
We're not competing through quarantine, but
Okay.
I'm going to practice later tonight.
All righty. Well, I know you're going to do great. You adjusted extremely well. You're off to a great start in your care program here. We got a lot done today. Your feet were off by about an inch, and after the adjustment, you were dead on even. So I think you're going to have a good practice and recuperate quickly and get even stronger.
All right.
The power's on.